And I'm back with the Mr. Gasser build. I've got his car all pretty much done here. I've got it painted and a Molotow marker for the chrome trim. This left rear wheel is a little bit off. I guess that's the way it glued together. I can't, unless I break it apart, I can't change it. I've got the exhaust pipes just glued on underneath. Got the decals on here, Mr. Gasser. I found some decals and some things in my parts bin. If you can read that, it says "Catch Me If You Can," and rat fink decal that I printed off and just glued on with Mod Podge. Got the lights painted on. Got the engine painted a little bit. Got the block painted Chevy orange and just painted the belt flat black. And I painted the bumpers, as you know, with the chrome paint, and that's ready to go. And it actually rolls. The metal axles, and the Mr. Gasser figure, I've got him all done up here. I've got some extra little details. I put the decal on for his eyes. Okay, my camera cut out on me, so I'll try that again. I tied some coarse twine around his waist to give him a belt, hold his pants up, and brushed some Mod Podge over that to attach it to the model and to keep it from unraveling. Done some detail painting and pre-shading. I think it came out pretty well. You can see on his fingers there, and I did his toes and fingernails. On his back, I'll get some pictures up at on the final video to show some of that. I just glued a piece of white paper on the shifter knob there, and with a magic marker I just wrote an 8 on it, give it a little bit of detail. And so he's coming along pretty good. I just have to attach him into the car now. Got the pieces here to do that, and line them up and get them glued into place and hope that everything holds still. So stay tuned for the final reveal. Well, I'm back and I've got the final version of the Mr. Gasser figure all completed and glued into the car. Got the steering column on and the gear shift knob and attached to the shifter lever. Came out pretty good, I think. Fun build, lots of fun to paint and decorate up. Pretty interesting looking guy. So thanks for following along.